Ever wondered why nutrition is of paramount importance for breastfeeding moms? Today, we delve into the world of nourishment, specifically tailored for those who are nursing their little ones. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a journey of discovery where we'll explore the nutritional needs of breastfeeding moms. This isn't just about eating more. It's about making the right food choices that will enrich both the mother's and the baby's health. Breastfeeding is a demanding process. It requires energy, vitamins, and minerals in abundance. Therefore, a breastfeeding mom's diet should be nutritionally rich, diverse, and balanced. First off, proteins. Proteins act as the building blocks of life, repairing cells and making new ones. They are crucial for the growth and development of your newborn. Foods such as lean meat, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, and nuts are excellent sources of protein. Next on the list are carbohydrates. They provide the energy that fuels both mom and baby throughout the day. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are carbohydrate-rich foods that should have a regular spot on your plate. Let's not forget about fats. Healthy fats, that is. They are essential for baby's brain development and also help keep mom's energy levels up. Avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon are great sources of healthy fats. Vitamins and minerals are the unsung heroes of a breastfeeding mom's diet. They support a multitude of bodily functions, from bone health to immune system strength. Leafy greens, dairy products, and fortified cereals are all packed with these vital nutrients. Hydration is key. Remember, a major component of breast milk is water. So, keep that water bottle close by at all times. In a nutshell, the diet of a breastfeeding mom should be a colorful palette of proteins, carbohydrates, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and plenty of water. Remember, it's not about eating for two, but eating twice as healthy. It's about making nourishing choices that benefit both mom and baby. In conclusion, the importance of nutrition for breastfeeding moms cannot be overstated. It lays the foundation for a healthy life for both the mother and the child. So, here's to making mindful, nutritious choices for a happier, healthier journey into motherhood.